everybody, welcome back to another video on sneakers unboxing with Moi, and today we're going to be unboxing the Adidas Superstar80S with the Bape collaboration. So let's get to it. So here's the box, and we have our Supreme knife, and let's get straight into it. Alright, so upon opening the box, we have our Superstar logo with the 3 white stripes and the Bape camo box. So let me show you real quick. So let's take the whole box out. Alright, so here's the box. So yes, on the sides it says, or it shows, the Adidas logo and the Bathing Ape logo as well. On the back it just says Adidas as well on the top center, and the star on the bottom right. And then on the other side, same thing as well, Adidas and Bathing Ape. On top, Superstars with the 3 white stripes. And on the front, we have our sizing. And the colors are FTW white, C black, and O white. And the name is Superstar80S Bape. And it is a size 9.5. And on the bottom of the box, we just have our, of course, our recycling logos and a little bit of information, and we have, of course, the Bape camouflage. So let me show you guys. All right, so let's see how they look. All right, cool. I don't know what this is. Maybe you guys may know, but I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you know what it is. But let's see how they look. All right, so our paper as well has little a little design with the Bathing Ape on it. Just a classic gray print with the white paper. All right, so here is the shoe. This is the left shoe. So on the outer sides, we have our 3 stripes. And then on the inner sides, we have the star. And then on the back, it says Adidas for the left shoe. And another detail on it, it says Bape near the toe box, the little lace hook. I'll show you guys that in the close-up shots if you didn't see it that well. But these do come with an extra set of black laces, so that's pretty cool. So if you don't want the white ones, you can always switch them out to the black ones. Left shoe, the insole has the Adidas logo. If you can really see it, the laces get in the way, but I'll show you guys, don't even worry about it. But on the tongue, it has gold accents for the letters, and the outer black logo, it's hard to see because of the laces are in the way, but I'll show you guys in the close-up shots. But here is the right shoe. So now the right shoe has the 3 stripes on the inner sides of the shoe, and on the outer sides of the upper, it is the star. So it's basically flipped from the left shoe, and I'll show you guys that real quick too. And on the back, it has a Bape embroidered. So there's the embroidery, and it says a Bathing Ape on the side as well. And then for the insole, it says a Bathing Ape as well, and for the tongue as well. So I'll get you guys the closest shots for that so you guys can see it. Midsole, of course, rubber, and then all the upper is leather except for the toe box. It's also rubber as well for this part of the toe or part of the uppers, and then the rest is leather. And then midsole leather, same thing for the left shoe, and then your sole rubber as well. But that's pretty much it. It's a very simple shoe, but if you guys have any questions, let me know. But let's get to the close-up shots and the on feet, and then we can get to wrapping up the video. So let's get to it. Alright, so that wraps up the video on these Adidas Superstars. Let me know what you guys think, if you guys would rock, if you guys would drop. But other than that, hope you guys are having a good day or night, and I'll catch you in the next one.